आयचो हो इंटरनॅशनल डे अगेन्स्ट ड्रग अब्यूज आणि इलिसीट ट्रॅफिकिंग. सो तुमकां आमच्या युथाक ह्या दिसा बद्दल एक मेसेज दिवपाक जाय जाल्यार ती कितें दितले तुमी?
So I would definitely tell youth of this state, भुरग्यांनो, be focused, look at your goal, march towards the goal. And definitely a person should be ambitious, but choose the right path, choose the truthful path. Take guidance of your parents, take good people, and move towards it. There is no shortcut for your goal. You have to achieve your goal with right means, with right decisions, and with right frame of mind. And drug will not take you anywhere. Consuming drug is not cool. Consuming drugs is marching towards devastation. Please keep away from drugs, and please be in touch with police if you find any such activities anywhere nearby where you stay, nearby to your school or colleges or wherever around. Be good citizens of this country. Take care of your family, take care of yourself. Thank you.